an easy pizza. We have the dough and the cheese and the flour, and we have the cornmeal, and we have a jar of sauce. This sauce is vodka sauce. I know it's strange. This dough, we bought it already made. This dough has herbs and garlic in it. Let's do this. First, you have to always flatten it. You gotta press it with your fingers. Make a nice circle. It can also be a square or any shape you like. It can be a heart too. Mamma mia, I'm making a pizza. Now we add the sauce. You can add any toppings you like. Onions, pepperoni, mushrooms, pineapple, ham, chicken, sausage, anchovies. What are those? Now we're gonna spread the cheese. This cheese is stinky, but it's delicious. Yeah, it's very good. You can have a little cheese to eat when you're cooking. Make sure to spread out evenly. When the whole pizza covered. This is gonna be delicious. You can do this with anyone in your family. We're adding some tomatoes to half of the pizza. Now you can add some cornmeal to the pizza stone. If you don't have a pizza stone, you could use a cookie sheet. Bake the pizza for 500 degrees for 10 minutes. Now enjoy your pizza. I hope you enjoyed this video. Enjoy your pizza. Make sure to send me some photos if you make your own pizza at home. Adios, amigos.